The call centre staff in Abtran, for example, are contracted to 2018.
Okay.
So, I mean, you cannot interfere with that contract, and that would have to be retained until then.
So what do you do with them? What are they?
Well, the duty and responsibility thereafter would refer back to the local authorities who have been the call centre staff from time infinitum beforehand. Okay. Anyhow, you know, because I mean, if I had an issue or a constituent of mine had an issue in relation to water services in Offaly, for example, they got in touch with Offaly County Council, who had a dedicated section within that authority to deal with those issues.
So you keep them on to 2018?
Yeah, you have to, yeah.
Okay, and then would you get rid of them?
Yeah, I would, yeah.
Okay, exactly.
Yes, indeed. They're contracted to 2018.
Okay. And what about like management, the likes of John Tierney and people like that? Would they all be sacked if you abolish Irish Water?
You abolish Irish Water, you do need an authority overarching over and above the local authority, but not to the size and extent that Irish Water has grown into a 700 strong tier over and above Irish Water. And you see, there was the perception. Well, the perception was given, for example, that the local authorities were doing a poor job.
Yeah.
I mean, what scientific evidence was presented for that to be the case? Yeah, there has. But I mean, that could be argued against a system that is archaic in many instances, but against the background of much investment in recent years that needs to be ongoing, of course.
If you have a national...
And there was a 700 strong staff, by the way, that could be reduced to 100 with a National Water Infrastructure Directorate similar to that of the NRA, which does an effective job for the way in which it manages the development of roads infrastructure and capital investment throughout the last number of years.
Right, so you create an NRA type body. How many staff?
I'd say about 100 staff would be.
And they're responsible for implementation?
They would be responsible for implementation of a national and prioritising development throughout the country rather than what you had before, where local authorities prioritised within their own authority, but that there was greater, you know, water infrastructure goes across county boundaries, and we recognise that.